Hi students, welcome back to our basic science class. Today we are going to discuss about magnetic properties. In our previous session, we discussed about magnetic substances, non-magnetic substances, different types of magnets and uses of magnets. Let's revise. We discussed in our previous session that like poles of the magnet repel each other. Unlike poles of the magnet attract each other. Here is an experiment showing metallic ball deflected by a magnet. Here shows compass deflected by magnet. We discussed in our previous session that magnetic force is strongly felt on the poles of the magnet. Let's do an experiment to prove that. Sprinkle the iron dust loosely on the chart paper. Bring a bar magnet near the iron dust. We can see that iron powder mostly stick in the poles of the magnet. From this we can prove that magnetic force is strongly felt on the poles of the magnet. Magnetic force is strongly felt on the poles of the magnet. Next, we are going to do an experiment to show a freely suspended magnet always comes to rest in north-south direction. When a bar magnet is suspended freely and horizontally, it comes to rest in north-south direction. The end of the magnet which points towards the north is called the north pole, and the end of the magnet which points towards south is called the south pole. So from this we can understand that freely suspended magnet always points in north-south direction. So students, let's summarize our today's session. Today we discussed about the experiments showing magnetic force is strongly felt on the poles of the magnet and the freely suspended magnet always lies in north-south direction. That's all for today. Thank you.